legend already, I don't care what you think. And you can lose first place in the blink. I know what you're thinking, he's gonna be leaking. No, I'm a survivor, the last Mohicans. Rappers bore me, catch me posted on the corner like Hori, or dancing on a show like Maurice.
All right, welcome to the day 8 video. And for this step, I think that it is incredibly important that you go and look up successful investors. This is something that I did myself. Of course, you hear about the Warren Buffetts and those kind of guys, but I was more curious about the guys that Warren Buffett followed, or the people that Warren Buffett looked up to. And you will find that there are tons of successful investors out there that who have made a lot of money, and they're like legends in the stock market world. And I would say do some research on those guys. Find out what strategies they used, and that will help form your identity. Yeah.
I'm a legend already, I don't care what you think. And you can lose first place in the blink. I know what you're thinking, he's gonna be